Welcome to Crypto 10 Digest. Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that rush when you first stumbled into crypto? Like, something just clicked, and you're thinking, this could actually change my life. You picture it all: quitting your job, early retirement, freedom to travel, maybe even helping your family. Honestly, it's a powerful dream, but here's the catch. Most people start chasing that dream with zero preparation. No map, no plan, no foundation. It's like trying to climb a mountain in flip-flops. So, in today's video, I want to share something that I wish someone had told me early on. The 7 most common and costly mistakes that beginners make when jumping into the crypto world. We're gonna break them down, one by one. So if you're just getting started, or if you've been around but still feel lost, stick with me. Let's save you from some serious pain. Brain mistake number 1. Lack of basic knowledge. Alright, first up, a lot of beginners jump in without learning the basics. And hey, I get it. Crypto is fast. It's loud. It feels urgent. You see people online making money in their sleep, posting screenshots of 10x returns like it's normal. You're thinking, man, I don't want to miss out. So you throw in a few $100 into some coin with a rocket emoji. But the moment it drops 30%, you freeze. What did I even buy? And that's the problem. You didn't know what you were buying, because you didn't stop to ask. You didn't check what the project does, what problem it solves, who's behind it, or if it's even real. That's like investing in a restaurant just because the menu looks cool, but you never tasted the food. Worse, you don't even know where the kitchen is. You wouldn't put your life savings into a business you don't understand, right? So why did it with crypto? Start small, ask questions, use Google, read the white paper, or at least a summary. If you don't get it, you probably shouldn't buy it. It's okay to be new, but it's not okay to stay uninformed. Because here's the truth. In crypto, lack of knowledge isn't just risky, it's expensive. Mistake number 2. Chasing the hype without understanding the fundamentals. Well, this one's super common. And honestly, it's dangerous. You hear some coin is pumping like crazy. You jump in, hoping to double your money overnight. But, wait a second. Do you even know what that project does? Who's behind it? What's their roadmap? Nope. You just saw it trending on Twitter, or some influencer hyping it on TikTok. Look, chasing hype is like jumping into a car just because it's speeding. You don't know where it's going, or if it even has brakes. If you're buying without understanding, you're not investing, you're gambling. And the house always wins. Mistake number 3. Thinking you'll get rich quick. Okay, listen, if you're getting into crypto thinking, this is my shortcut to become a millionaire, man, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Sure, some people got lucky in 2017. Others made big in the 2021 bull run. But here's the thing, you only hear about the winners. You don't see the thousands who lost everything. Getting rich quick sounds good, but getting rich right, that's a lot better. Crypto isn't a lottery ticket. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you treat it like a get-rich-quick scheme, you'll probably get poor, even quicker. Mistake number 4. Chasing every new coin. You know that feeling when a new coin is trending, and you're like, dang, I gotta get in before it moons.